Like, quickly before the video starts, I just want to, like, say that I'm making more of an effort to try and have more personality in the videos, and I'm trying, like, a new style. So, like, I'm trying. Comment below if you like it, comment below if you don't like it, and if anything I need to change. Always open to feedback, so yeah, lol, enjoy the video, I guess. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a updated photocard collection video, but it's very different. I've changed a lot. So like, I don't usually talk about this ever, but I struggle really badly with anxiety, and to be honest, I had like a minor breakdown the other night, triggered by like all of the collecting and stuff. I felt I've been adding so many collections and like doing so much to my collections that I felt really out of control of everything, and I got so tired so quickly of collecting so much and not having any money and constantly having things to catch up on that I just completely have cut my collection like in half. I collect so many less things now than I did before, so like that happened. It's a lot of thanks to like Trade Petals and some other people that I'm friends with for helping me sort of do it and providing some advice, so I definitely am very grateful to them. But yeah, we're just gonna jump straight in. It's gonna be very different. I do apologize to like everyone who watched me for a certain group. But yeah, we're gonna go through this. So this is my first binder. It's got girl group photo cards on the side still because I haven't had a chance to change the decals. So this is my Twice collection now. They're only in this one binder. There's only this group in this binder and it's very skinny now. So I did change all my cover sheets as well. They're a little bit nicer now. So I do collect Chaeyoung, just her album cards, and some of those like trading card things. So we start with The Story Begins. I have changed this up a bit. I haven't added fillers yet, so this is just blank. But basically, I love Chaeyoung with my whole heart, so I was like, I'm just gonna collect her, and collecting Geo right from the start again, just way too much pressure. I completely lost it, so I stopped completely, and I'm trading off all the cards. And now I've changed these to white fillers as well. The purple wasn't doing it for me. I really loved it, but it made things look a bit messy to me, so I've changed it to white, and I think I like how it looks. I think it looks okay. It might change, but it'll stay like this for a bit. So I have finished Her Story Begins solo cards. I just need the unit. And then I have finished page 2 in its entirety. And then here's Twice Coaster. I have Lane 1 finished, and then this is the Christmas edition. I just need the holo. And then Twice Coaster Lane 2. And this is Signal. It's completely finished as well. And this is Twice to Go and Merry and Happy. I kind of low-key hate this page, but like, I don't really know what other way I'd lay it out other than this. I tried the 222, but it looked awful, so I'm never doing that again. But I've also made more of an effort to style the cards a bit more. Like with Signal, I put 2 borders here and then the 2 specials here. And then I put like 2 selfie cards here with the Polaroid in the middle, and then 2 white borders with the green in the middle. Like, it just looks better. And here we have What Is Love. So I've made an effort to style it a little more. Like, these cards are the same concept, so they're together. The special card has gone in the middle. That sort of craziness, and I'm missing 2 cards from this. And then this is the OT9 sets that I chose to collect for this era. So I guess like the little name set, and then the one with the food in the corner, and then Summer Nights. So I have finished Her Summer Nights set. I like try my best to put my favorite cards here, 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 and here, since they're like the focal points of the page. So I like the way this looks. And also I put the two like non-red borders here and here, so they make a line. And this is I collected 2 OT9 sets for this one as well. So I collect the Summer Night set and the Dance the Night Away set because they're like the 2 titles of the album. So like the title track and then the album title. And then this is Year of Yes. I finished her set as well. I put the special card in the middle. I put the weirdest card in the middle because I don't know where the fuck to put anything now. And then like put my favourite cards here and here. And I'm collecting 189 set for this, and it's like this border one with the names on. I just think they all look really cute. And then of course I don't need to collect like an OT9 set for Year of Yes, because it's just 5 cards and I do have this completed. And then Fancy. Fancy was one of my favourite eras for cards, except that they're round. Everything was perfect except the corners. Like, we had Blanche Che this era. I will never get over this card, ever. It's my favourite card. I will have it on my grave. And then the OT9 set I'm collecting for this is like the line border, just because they all look really cute. And then this is Feel Special. I'm missing 1 card for this. I can't really seem to find it anywhere. It's quite irritating. And I just put like the darker borders here, because I believe this one's like a slightly golden darker border. So I was like, it will be like the diamond pattern, and obviously the gold card in the middle. And then I collect 2 OT9 sets for this, so the white border set, because it has that one Chewy card that's like flawless. And then I have the colour border set, which just made sense. Then at the back we will have all of her trading cards, but I only have the like Halloween cards at the minute, since all the other trading cards I have are in like my Neo Geo order. So that is everything for my Twice collection. Like, moving on to the next binder, this is my boy groups binder. Now, this is where the changes start to occur. I dropped every boy group I have, except for ATEEZ and Kang Daniel. Ugh. So I collect 38 ATEEZ. I have completed episode 1. Honestly, these cards mean so much to me since now they're out of print. I collected them a long time ago, so I didn't spend that much money on them, but they're really special to me. The same with episode 2. These cards they mean a lot. And then this is episode 3 Illusion set, the album version set. And this is episode 3, the MMT Illusion set. Still unsure on whether I'll keep this set, since I haven't collected my music taste cards for any other album, sorry. And this is the normal album set of Wave, and the normal album set, the MMT set of Wave as well. Then moving on to episode Finn, I have all of their A cards, and all of their B cards, well, Z cards. And then we're moving on to Anniversary. I just need 2 cards to finish this set, so I'm really excited about that, to be honest. And then the baby cards. Personally, I hate baby cards. I find it really weird and creepy that we collect pictures of young children. I don't like it, so I don't know if I'll be keeping this set. And then this is Epilogue. I just need 3 cards to finish the red set, and the blue set is completed. Then we have some OT8 sets, so I have the Season's Greetings, and then I have the ID set for the fan kit. I'm covering this because it's got like my personal details on. And then we have some postcards from the 18E fan kit. And then just here we have like the episode 2 pre-order benefit from K-Town For You. I just put it with the other group cards since I didn't want to put a postcard on its own. And then here I have my Jongho collection. So after episode 3, I didn't want to collect my music taste for everyone because they were too expensive, and also I hate my music taste, like with an absolute passion. So I just collected Jongho's cards for that since he's my baby. And then here we have the Japanese releases. Again, I just collected Jongho's because they're quite expensive and inaccessible. Then I have a postcard on its own, which I said I know I hate to do, but I don't know what else to put with it really. My god, turn. Thank you. And then we have like their Japanese photos, which I haven't completed yet, but I think I have quite a few of them on the way. So here we have my other boy that I collect. Daniel is one of my alt biases, like all over for a very long time. I don't have it in me to drop him. He is my absolute baby. I will do everything to protect him. I collected his colour, I finished his colour on me set. And sort of the way I laid this out is he's got 2 black and white and 2 colour, and then one with a black background and colour foreground. So I was like, it's perfect, right? Maybe. I like this. And then I have his cyan card, so this is the day version. And I have the card that comes in every album, and then the random, and I do have the pre-orders on the way. And the same for this one, this is the card that comes in every album, and the random, and the pre-orders on the way. I just have some of his cacao friends from when some close friends bought me like the keychains that he did with them, and you get random cards with them, so I was very excited to have these as I didn't know I was getting them. That is everything from my boy groups. Then onto the final binder, which I would say has had more changes than anything. This is my other girl group. So we start off the binder with Yeri. At the start of this month, I set out to collect everything that she's ever had, and I got very overwhelmed very fast, and it spiraled quite badly. So now what I've done is I've stretched myself to album cards and then some Kino cards as well. So I have her like ice cream cake, the red, the velvet and Russian roulette on this side, this page, sorry. And then I have Rookie, Red Summer, Peekaboo. And then I have enclosed in like 2 white sleeves, I have Bad Boy, Summer Magic and RBB. And here we come into day 1, so it's Zimzala Beam. I have her 3 album cards, the little ticket thing, and then the space for the Kino. And then I have day 2, so I have the 3 normal cards, then space for the Kino, which I do actually have on the way from a group order. So I'm really excited about that, with the ticket in the middle. And his finale, I'm just missing 2 cards for that. And at the end I have all of the extra inclusions we had, since most of them would be by themselves. Then moving on to Aizwan Cheon. I cut Chaewon out, not because I don't love her anymore, of course I do. It was just getting too expensive and just too much for me, so thought I'd just collect my bias and keep it there. So I finished her Colorized set, and then her Heart Eyes set. Moving into Bloom Eyes, a lot of this is on the way, which is why there's no fillers. So I have finished the I Was set, along with the postcard and Eyes One card. This is the I Am set. This is also finished on the way, along with the postcard and Eyes One card. This is the I Will set, I think. Just missing 1 card, which I don't actually have on the way, so I'm really upset about that. I can't find it anywhere, to be honest. And then I have her postcard and also her Eyes One card on the way. And then we have her little sister Chedong from ITZY. I really love ITZY, so I didn't really have the heart to drop them. I have her It's Icy set. I put the 2 icy borders together with the 2 non-borders together, and then It's Me with the pre-order. Then I have her pre-order cards. And then this is It's Me, so I have the oldest to youngest in the units, and then her 3 cards across the middle. And this is her big card with the group on the back, and then her pre-order cards. Then we move on to Olivia Hay from Luna. Luna's pretty difficult to collect, so I was going to sort of let them go, but I'm trying to stick with it and see what I can get in the next couple of months, and if it's just not viable and it's not working, then I will likely drop them from my collection. So this is, I finished pre-debut, so I have her 2 solo cards, Olivia, Go On Olivia, and then her normal unlimited Y release. And then I have spaces for plus plus, XX, and I've actually finished hash, just waiting for this card to come in. And then here is a big change. I used to collect OT5 Saturday, and I finished their set really, but for the future it wasn't viable, and I just didn't think it would work all that well if they bring out an album with like 10 cards each. So I just moved down to my bias, Hanel, but I do collect their non-album cards since I'm a really big fan of them. So I have both of her album cards here, the fan meeting set, and then a Make Star set, and then Emma got the slogan photocard coming in the mail. That's all Saturday has. And then I still collect MG because she's my baby, and also this picture is so precious. So I have her first album cards here, which I don't really like the layout of that page at all. I'm still working it out, but moving on to Parallel, they've got the 3 cards here and then 2 cards up here. And then Rainbow, I do actually have this last card coming in the mail. And then Time for the Moon Knight, I only have 2 cards for this one, but I'm on the lookout. And then Sunny Summer, I decided to put 2 red outfits here with the white in the middle, and then the 2 blue backs will go opposite. I have finished Time for Us, so this is the full set completed. I decided to just put the 2 transparent cards on the corners. This is Fever Season. I also have this set completed, they're just all the cards are on their way. And then this is Labyrinth, which I only have 1 card for right now, but I'm really excited to collect these ones. They're so pretty. And coming into the last couple collections, I have Bandit. I really love Bandit, and I realised that I haven't been collecting them for long, and I dropped other groups that I've been collecting for longer, but there's something about Bandit that I really have fallen in love with. So I thought I would hold on to them just for a little bit. And then I don't actually have any of their photo cards right now, but I've joined a group order for their latest album. Hopefully I can get 1 or 2 there. And then I just have her postcard from B. And that is actually it. So in total I think I dropped 5 or 6 groups. I dropped NCT, Oneness, a member of Eyes One, 4 members of Saturday, Promise 9, and just a couple others that I didn't feel were making me happy. I need to clarify that while I dropped collections, it does not in any way mean that I unstand them. I can stand a group without having to collect them, and I definitely need to get into that mindset more. Before I'd be like, oh, I love this group, I'm gonna collect them just because I wanted to, and not being realistic. So I have decided to sort of be more realistic with all my collections. I can stand a group without wanting to collect them. I need to realise that. I think it's very important to realise when collecting as well. But yes, definitely if I've not collected a group, it doesn't mean I understand them. I love them just as much. I just don't feel the motivation to carry on with the cards. But that is everything for now. If you'd like a video on sort of my process of dropping all these collections and stuff like that, drop a comment below and I'll make that video. But thank you for watching.